I don't call myself a chef. I'm a witness, a gatherer of stories through food. It's this, here is something that I want to say, but I don't have a word for it. Food is something that connects us to our roots in a way nothing can. I'm writing a cookbook, so because of that I need like a lot of ingredients.
Yes, yes.
When I moved to the city, the first thing that I missed was taste. That feeling of taste being more than just flavors, but something your heart knows before your taste buds do. This piece, Don't Die Starving, it begins as a memory of my father's kitchen, my mother's hand, of the hunger we carry that no store-bought packet will ever fill. This is a protest against erasure, against forgetting, against starving, not just for food, but for care, for connection, and for culture. At home, we cherish these ingredients, and we cherish stories. And for me, this performance is an attempt at both. To me, this is home, and I can only hope that in this bite, someone somewhere remembers their own. Don't die starving. Feed yourself in every way that matters.